Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing another Call of Duty mobile challenge. Today we'll actually be using the Dobra, the worst gun, like the literal worst gun in the game. And then we'll be so last time I tried to do this video, it decided not to record half of it, so I just scrapped it. And the last video was starting from stock and getting to this point, but I'm not gonna do all that again, so I'm just gonna use what I have here. We're just gonna use the upgraded version and get whatever upgrades we have yet to get. And then as for the secondary, we're going to for our other gun, we're just gonna have the M4 for now, and then multiplayer. Alright. And today is also the day that I'm going to be finding a new account name. So I'm going to be finding a new name for my channel. At first, Furry Terminator was like just a YouTube like name, 'cause that was just my username for like scrolling through videos and going on YouTube and stuff. But now that I have a channel, I feel like I should change it to something different. Not because of controversy, because quite frankly I don't care about that, but mainly because I've been getting a lot of comments from people on why they think I'm so bad because of my name. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change it. That way there's nothing for them to complain about and I can get positive comments.
Targets in sight. Changing mag, cover me. Tied to the lead.
So anyway, not doing too bad with this pistol. It's really not that bad of a gun. You just got to be good with it.
Enemy contact. Target down. Enemy in sight. Target down. Contact with enemy.
Predator missile on standby.
Alright. So, sorry I haven't posted in a while. The reason for that is mainly because
Targets in sight.
my schedule's been kind of odd lately, and things have been going on that I haven't suspected would happen. So, trust me, I've been trying my best to get some uploads, but it just hasn't worked out. And like I said, last time I tried, it didn't work, so that's nice.
Enemy airstrike is ready. Friendly airstrike incoming.
Alright. Imagine you're playing this game and you look at what gun that you got killed by. Like, okay, so somebody kills you and you look at what gun they have, and it's this, and they've been getting like every kill in the game with this. Just this one little tiny gun.
Enemy down.
Honestly, I hope it actually records this time, because if it doesn't, then we're gonna have a big problem. As said in prior videos, I've actually found a way to transfer recording from my Xbox over to my phone through the Xbox app, which is really convenient, and I didn't actually know about it, surprisingly. But I'm considering doing some of that. I play a lot of GTA for future reference of what you'll probably be seeing.
Sentry gun deployed.
Obviously, I don't really have any money to just buy games, so there
Enemy down.
probably won't be many like
Airstrike is ready.
new. Okay, so you won't get like a new game all the time.
Friendly
But it'll be
airstrike
like-
incoming.
I'll play something different
Tango
in every
down.
video
Friendly
and
predator
like
missile
do
inbound.
something different. Okay, I'm gonna use this M4 for one single
Tango.
guy just to see if it's actually like a good gun or not. I know it's the starter weapon, so I don't know how good it actually is. It's first to 50, so if I want to try and get a kill with this, I might want to hurry up. Because we have literally
Contact with
3
enemy.
kills to go.
Contact with enemy. Changing mag. Enemy contact.
Alright, back to the Dabra. Yeah, so this is quite literally like the worst gun in the game, in my opinion. And I don't know, maybe it's factual, but I don't honestly know.
Contact with enemy. Targets in sight.
Also, for some reason, I can't figure out how to keep my comments on. So, like, I do everything that I always do.
Good job.
So I don't understand what's happening with that. But, whatever. I'll figure it out eventually, but some of my videos, like, I know one of mine, the comments are turned off, and I'm sure nobody knows why. I'm just having some trouble. Technical difficulty. Ooh, I kind of didn't realize that I had these. That's nice. Do I have any other ones? I have a dragon camo. It's alright. I think I'm gonna put on one of these. Sorry, my internet connection is not too great right now. I don't know why. Some days it's like that. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put that like bluish navy camo on there. Should I try out the shorty for maybe one of my videos? Maybe that's what I ought to do. Maybe for a bonus round, we'll use the shorty for the very last round. We'll do this round, and then next round we'll use the shorty just for like a bonus. I also learned in like one of my previous attempts to make a video that I need to talk louder. You should have heard my first video. It was horrible, like my first ever one. A couple of people might have gotten to watch it, but I took it down because I kind of thought it was a little bit embarrassing. And it was kind of stupid too. Like I didn't know what to say. I didn't really do anything interesting. And I kind of ended the video on a weird note, so I just decided not to keep it up.
Contact. Target down. Targets in sight.
We lost the lead.
But, so yeah, that's why that got
tied
taken
for the lead.
down,
Contact.
in case you were wondering, but you probably weren't.
Targets in sight.
Probably thinking of just like zip it and play the game.
We lost the
but
lead.
I'm trying to see if I can get up there. Probably can't. Unless... I could totally get up there. No way. I can't get up there.
Enemy contact. Tango down.
Oh, crap. Alright. Time to go get some revenge. With my little pistol.
Targets in sight. Enemy
Fight
down.
me. Oh, wrong guy. Wrong guy. Wasn't the guy.
Targets in sight. Changing mag. Cover me.
Close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead.
Enemy contact.
Alright.
We tied for the lead.
Contact with enemy. Targets in sight.
Oh, my aim. My aim. Dude. What was that aiming, dude? What was that? That was terrible.
Targets in sight. Tango down. Contact with enemy. Enemy in sight.
This guy's actually like somewhat good at the game.
Reloading. Cover me. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Contact with enemy.
I need to get some ammo quickly. What? I can't pick that up now. Dude, what is that? Wow. Just wow.
It's too
Wow.
close. Fight harder.
Severely unimpressed by this game.
Targets in sight.
Yes, targets are indeed in sight. Problem is, I don't know if I should be rushing them.
Enemy in sight. Target down.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Whew. Bro, scare me a little bit. Alright. They're probably gonna try to come from, like, this way. So what if I just, like, camp right here? I don't think they're gonna be up here.
Enemy contact.
Ouch.
We're failing this mission.
Contact with enemy. Changing mag. Cover me.
Predator missile on standby. Predator missile inbound.
Enemy in sight. Contact with enemy.
Sentry gun ready to deploy.
Ouchie, that's not good.
Airstrike is ready.
Ooh.
Contact with enemy. Targets in sight. Reloading. Enemy down. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Target down.
Bring it up, squad.
Enemy in sight.
Oh! I didn't expect to actually like do anything with that.
Friendly airstrike incoming.
Hi, friend!
Predator missile awaiting orders. Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Contact with enemy.
What?
Enemy in sight. Targets in sight. Targets in sight.
What are you doing?
Airstrike is ready. We tied for the lead. Sentry
Have
gun
one of them.
deployed.
Oh.
Targets
Oh,
in
I didn't
sight.
get to use my sentry gun.
Enemy
What?
in sight.
What? Dude's hip firing? No.
Contact with enemy.
Like, nah, bro, I forgot to aim.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Alright. Time for the bonus round. Anything interesting for this? Got another stock. Makes it look kind of like an SMG almost. What, 80 round drum mag? Dude, I would go on forever with this thing. Unlocks at weapon level 38. Dude, I have to get that. That is awesome. Oh, bro, imagine if I could get that. Jesus. The long barrel. Bro, this freaking 140 millimeter brings down literally everything. Why would I want that? Huh. What do I have now? Sand camos. I don't really care about sand camos. I do have a new splinter camo though. Ooh, I have another tiger camo though too. Splinter camo. Alright. Now, for a bonus round, we're gonna use the shorty. I don't know why I sound so bad all of a sudden. The Pharaoh. This must be a new addition. Huh. The accuracy's okay. It seems like an alright gun. We'll try it out. We're gonna try out these two guns for the bonus round. What I don't get... Okay, so one thing I don't get is, like, people who spend money on COD Mobile. So, like, think about that. You're so committed to this little game, like this little mobile game, that you buy stuff for it. And, like, they don't just buy, like, a skin or two, or maybe, like, a skin for their gun for fun, you know. No, they buy, like, a lot of stuff.
Enemy in sight.
Never mind, it's a burst fire. Garbage.
Contact with enemy. Enemy in sight.
garbage. Never mind, it's not that bad.
Target's in sight.
Oh god, what is this aim? What is this
Enemy
aim?
down.
What was that? Does he call that the fucking suck my dick move? Or...
Taking the lead.
Ooh. Hello? Alright, time to try out the shorty.
Target's in sight. Target down.
Alright, alright. I'm impressed so far. This gun didn't seem that great last time I used it.
Let's go.
Maybe it's just because I'm not good with shotguns.
Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Enemy contact.
Just delivered the smoke directly in his
Heads up,
eyeballs.
team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Where'd this guy
Enemy
go?
in sight.
Oh,
Predator missile on standby.
Enemy contact. Tango down.
Sentry gun ready for deployment.
Reloading.
I know exactly where to take this little sentry gun of mine.
Sentry gun deployed. Airstrike is ready.
God. Guess if you're close to him, it's a one-shot. But you gotta be close enough. So you only get 2 bullets.
Get down. Sniper.
UAV online.
So like anything, you have to be fairly... Like any shotgun, I guess, you have to be fairly close to the enemy to get the specified
Friendly airstrike incoming.
outcome.
Tango down.
Oh! Kind of forgot about that. Kind of forgot I could kill myself with my own airstrike. Should probably stay out of the way of that.
Predator missile inbound.
I love how it just like aims the Predator missile right at somebody to start off.
Enemy in sight. Target down.
Oh, I didn't even realize there was a door here.
Contact with enemy. Enemy in sight. Sniper. Sniper eliminated.
Oh! God!
Contact.
I didn't know he killed my teammate. Had I known that, would have been nice.
Contact with enemy.
That's the only problem with this, though, is that you have to, like, be right next to somebody for it to work.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Enemy contact. Enemy contact. Targets in sight. Enemy in sight.
I've been stalking you,
Winning
pal.
this one.
Don't know if you noticed.
Enemy contact.
They're hurting. Keep fighting.
Target down.
Nice.
Targets in sight.
Oh! Woo! Yes!
Get down, sniper! Targets in sight.
It doesn't look very good once you, like, see it. Once the kill cam is, like, all laggy.
Nice
Very
work.
weird.
Well done.
Alright, what we got for this? Oh, dude, even better. I definitely need that perk. Okay, so what I'm thinking about is, like, bring my accuracy. I guess I don't really need accuracy with a shotgun, really. Because, like, yeah, I don't really need accuracy with a shotgun. Really, if you think about it. Alright. So, this looks pretty good, actually. Maybe what I should do in, like, the next video is using, like, only a shotgun, but, like, a really bad shotgun. The BY-15, it's not bad. It's not bad, but it's not my fave, honestly. All right. All right. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I guess I need to come up with an outro. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye.